By this point in time, you might have heard of Ripple as a blockchain company, and what it does is truly amazing. However, you might be surprised to hear that in fact XRP isn't Ripple, and that Ripple by itself is not a cryptocurrency. Due to the fact that many people get these two confused, and with good reason, today we'll break down exactly what XRP is as a token and how it connects to Ripple. So the next time you have a discussion with someone surrounding Ripple, you won't confuse it with the XRP cryptocurrency token that is used in a completely different project. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, it's Mark Thompson from CryptoMade, and today we're going to be going over everything you should know regarding XRP. But before we do, make sure you hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and turn on notifications so that you'll receive alerts for upcoming videos where we talk all about crypto investing opportunities, including altcoins, DeFi, and play-to-earn gaming, the metaverse, NFTs, and more. Also, I am not a financial advisor, so please make sure you do your own research and consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. And with that out of the way, let's get started. Let's go over exactly what XRP is and what it's used for, and then we'll go over the connection it has with Ripple. After we saw a spike in popularity surrounding blockchain technology after the launch of Bitcoin, which you can go and check out my detailed video on that topic above, it was the first true blockchain network to gain mass appeal. However, it was limited in terms of scalability and sustainability due to the consensus mechanism. As such, the XRP Ledger was brought to the cryptosphere as a means of enabling low transaction costs and providing developers with a strong open source foundation when it comes to the execution of demanding projects without putting too much of an impact on the environment. The main reason as to why XRP was developed as a payment system was to essentially replace the pre-existing traditional banking system. The main competitor on XRP's radar at the time of its inception was the Swift bank transfer, due to the fact that it was slow and had high fees. XRP was developed with the main goal of disrupting this and enabling people on a global scale to essentially use a payments network that doesn't charge them too much. But here's the thing that gets interesting. RippleNet is a platform that was developed as a means of offering banks and financial institutions access to a real-time gross settlement system, which has led to secure and instantaneous financial transactions on a global scale. However, Ripple and RippleNet essentially let their customers use the XRP cryptocurrency for sourcing liquidity with cross-border transactions. Ripple is a San Francisco startup company. It was launched with the main goal of developing software that can be heavily utilized by banks as a means of facilitating quick and global financial transactions. However, Ripple is a completely independent and separate company from XRP. XRP is just a digital asset built for payments, and XRP exists fully independently from Ripple. This means that anyone can download and run the XRP Ledger, through which they can become a validator for the network. This will enable XRP to live on even if for whatever reason Ripple as a company goes away. Ripple did not issue and does not oversee XRP, and XRP is just a part of the broader ecosystem. That said, we now need to take a look at the XRP Ledger, what it actually does. David, Jed, and Arthur, the three co-founders, began work on the XRP Ledger in 2011. This ledger is powered by a peer-to-peer network of nodes and was developed by a means of improving upon the limitations of Bitcoin while creating a digital asset that is built specifically for payments. This ledger was launched for the very first time in June of 2012. Now in 2012, another company was formed when Chris Larsen joined, known as Newcoin. However, the company has renamed OpenCoin and is now known as Ripple. XRP has a maximum supply of 100 billion tokens. In order to function the way it does, the XRP Ledger utilizes a consensus protocol that was specifically designed to have designated servers known as validators, all of which aim to come to an agreement on the order and outcome of an XRP transaction throughout the span of 3 to 5 seconds. All these servers within the network are able to process each transaction by following the exact same rules. And all of these transactions are public and accompanied by strong cryptography, all of which contribute to the system's high integrity. The XRP Ledger uses what is known as an XRP Ledger consensus protocol, which was specifically developed to have a more centralized and efficient solution that reduces transaction finality time and cost. Through the XRP Ledger consensus protocol, each participant within the network chooses a set of validators, which are are servers specifically configured to participate actively in consensus, run by different parties. As the network progresses, each server listens to its trusted validators, and when a large enough percentage of them agree that a set of transactions should occur and that a given ledger is the result, the server declares consensus. When they don't agree, validators modify the proposals to closely match the other validators that they trust, a process that gets repeated until consensus is reached. What this results in is quick settlement speed and low transaction costs. In fact, when compared to other crypto projects, XRP is actually extremely quick and affordable. Specifically, XRP has a 3.7 second settlement speed and a 0.00006 network transaction fee and can process 1,500 transactions per second. On the other end of the spectrum, Ethereum charges a transaction fee of around $1.47 per transaction and has an average block time of about 13.3 seconds and can process around 15 to 30 transactions per second. So here's my personal take on XRP and Ripple. The first is that the company has confused customers and users about the connection between XRP and Ripple. Also, there's numerous projects that are required to make this ecosystem work, such as Ripple, the XRP Ledger, and RippleNet, making the architecture a bit clunky with many moving pieces. Now, looking at some of the on-chain metrics, it's not uncommon for founders and key management to have equity or shares in their company. However, Ripple is a majority holder of XRP. RippleLabs owns 60 billion XRP coins of the 100 billion produced at inception. This means that if RippleLabs ever decided to unload a large amount of its XRP, it could cause a huge drop in the price. While this is highly unlikely, it is something to keep in mind. Finally, and probably the biggest concern, is the SEC versus Ripple legal battle, now seemingly pushing to 2023, which might impact the overall future in terms of the value of XRP. The lawsuit has more potential damage to Ripple, the company, compared to XRP, the cryptocurrency, and that even if Ripple falls, XRP will live on. My thoughts are that XRP will succeed due to the increased pressure from the mass adoption of crypto on a global scale, as well as its appeal. The push to 2023 might get pushed even further down the line, which leads to uncertainty. But no matter the outcome of the lawsuit, XRP will live on. So if you're a long-term investor like me, I believe the price of XRP will not only skyrocket once the lawsuit is over, but allow the project to flourish. So what about you? Have you invested into XRP yet? Again, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more breakdowns of other crypto projects, including updates on everything that's going on in the industry.